Welcome to Block 7. Today, we're exploring the Westminster Residence, a striking family home designed by Batay-Csorba Architects, located in Toronto, Canada. With a total area of about 3,220 square feet, this house serves as the primary residence for a family of 4, set within Toronto's High Park neighborhood, surrounded by traditional Edwardian Gable homes. The design strikes a careful balance, blending seamlessly with its historic context while still making a bold, contemporary statement. The concept begins with the familiar pitched roof form, an archetype of the neighborhood. Yet, the architects reimagined it in a modern and unexpected way. Beneath the steep terracotta roof lies a fully occupied living space, transforming the idea of an attic into functional rooms filled with purpose. This creates a fascinating paradox, a home that respects tradition while simultaneously breaking away from it. Architecturally, the house is composed of 3 dark monolithic volumes. The first floor is clad in dark brick. Above it sits a massive triangular stone-clad roof, and piercing through are tall rectilinear dormers. The roof, intentionally heavy in appearance, is set asymmetrically, its cantilever extending to cover both the carport and side patio. The result is a dynamic visual tension between simple geometric forms and complex structural gestures. The dormers themselves are key features of the design. While similar in scale and material, they take on completely different roles. On the west facade, one dormer extends down to the ground, grounding the home with a sense of solidity. In contrast, the east dormer dramatically hovers above the carport, seemingly defying gravity and adding a touch of intrigue to the facade. Inside, the residence presents a dramatic interplay of atmospheres, born from two opposing design visions, one evoking the mood of a villain's lair, and the other inspired by a bright, calming retreat. The material palette reflects this duality. Dark-stained walnut, unfilled travertine, concrete, and textured lime wash walls are balanced by light-filled double-height spaces, wide white oak floors, and soft linen drapery. The sequence of spaces is designed as a journey. Moving through the home, you pass from compressed, cavern-like areas into expansive, airy rooms filled with natural light. This contrast creates moments of surprise and delight, elevating everyday living into a richer spatial experience. The careful layering of materials and the thoughtful use of light make the interiors both sophisticated and inviting. Ultimately, the Westminster Residence is more than just a home. It's a bold exploration of architecture. It pays homage to its historic surroundings with its archetypal roofline while pushing boundaries through daring forms, cantilevered structures, and atmospheric interiors. It's a design that shows how tradition and modernity can coexist, creating a home that is both familiar and refreshingly original.